Welcome to YOUCANIC. We have a 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander, and we're going to check the oil, and if we need to fill oil or add oil, I'm going to show you where the oil fill plug cap is. So we have the dipstick right here. We're going to go ahead and pull it out. You're going to wipe it clean, start with, then we're going to put it back in the oil hole until it's really good and snug in there. And then you pop it back out and you check it. And you just want to make sure that your oil is in between those two dots. You know? And if we're in between those two dots, then we're at a good operating range. This is the full, that's the low. Anything below that, you definitely would want to be adding some oil. Alright, so dipstick back in, and if you need to add oil when you check it, right back here is your oil filler cap. We're going to go ahead and just unscrew that, and you'd put oil in there. It might be a good recommendation to use a funnel to put the oil in so you don't get it spilled on the motor, and then you don't have to smell that nasty oil smell when it's, you know, burning off the motor. Then we would just screw the cap back on, and then you would go back through the same process of checking your oil with pulling out the dipstick to make sure you've put enough in to where you want it to operate in the operating temperature. And that is how to check your oil and fill your oil in a Mitsubishi 2009 Outlander.